Good morning. It's actually not even morning. It's like 11 right now, but I just got changed into my bathing suit. We woke up and it was kind of like foggy outside, so we kind of just sat inside, hung out, played some Stack Cup, and then I've been editing my St. Croix vlogs, and I've been trying to get ready for I have a midterm tomorrow, so I'm getting ready for that. But yeah, the sun's finally out. It's looking super nice out there. I think it's supposed to be another super nice day, so that's exciting. But yeah, I will keep you updated. All right, we just had some lunch, and now we're about to go out on the boat, have a little boat day again. So excited!
And in love, young. And in love, we were young. And in love, you liked me quite a lot. And I liked you. And it was like we'd go on forever and ever. We were kids just having fun. A wild summer. We would drive through the night. Yeah, we would go all night.
Push down your heels. Go. Heels down. Yeah, heels down. Heels down. Go. Yeah, push down. Yep.
Yeah!
Heels down. Heels down. Yep. This is it. You got it. Keep your weight back. All right.
Come on, Malia.
Heels down. Heels down. Wait. Oh.
Tick tock, tick tock. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Scuba Steve.
Young and in love, we were young and in love.
She's going by herself? I guess so. She gone. She just flips it. Imagine. Oh my god. Park over there. You're kind of in the middle of the way.
Connor can go.
How was that? Oh, and you're holding your watermelon still. Nice.
Yeah, it dropped a few times.
Hello, love. Mackie. We just got back to camp. Shut up. We just got back to camp. We had a really nice little boat day. We went surfing, went to the rock. Malia even tried surfing. That was crazy. Yeah, it was super nice out, but we just got back. Me and Kylie took the four-wheeler back, and Malia took the golf cart back, and she went all by herself. She looks so funny. But yeah, I think we're just gonna chill. Yeah, I'll update you later. Muffle, muffle, muffle.
No. It's hot. You can't. Ew.
Oh. Don't show Mimi, she'll start gagging. That water's probably older than me.
Hold on.
Operation Get
Okay.
Sailboat from under the camp.
Ready?
3, sailboat.
2, 1. It's hard because I can't get a grip and I don't want to freaking step in this shit. Oh, there we go. No, push it this way. There we go. Woo.
What are you guys trying to do?
Ow. That's what we were trying to do.
Get my sailboat out. Thing is dirty. Oh my god. Oh, I hate that noise.
Logan, Connor!
I hate that noise.
Connor!
What?
Come get this, for the love of God.
Is it heavy?
Yeah.
Bring out the big guns.
Lift up the butt end.
Look at this old gem.
This thing's probably older than me, not gonna lie.
What was you taking a picture of?
Retrieving the sailboat out of the bottom of the canal. No, I'm gonna use her.
Get her in and wash her off.
You need so many bugs in there.
Throw right in the water.
Sea shark.
Put it back there.
She's a beast. Rocky. ASMR from Rocky. Ooh, she float?
Yeah, it floats. Look at the little sail. It's so cute and tiny.
Oh yeah. Oh, look at it.
I'm impressed there's even a sail.
Mother.
Oh boy, she's getting there. She's getting somewhere.
SS Asia. VHP.
Yep, Beach Old Pond sailing racing.
I think that's too high. I think normally it's way down.
No, but this needs to be straight. Like it needs to be.
What is that thing? You just lift it up and down? Are you gonna go on the boat? The strong wind's gonna come and it's gonna rip that centerboard right out of the boat. What does this do?
It's just rope.
It's probably for the rudder and the sail. Hey guys, how would you race? They give me paddle and go down my sailboat.
Where's the? You need a life jacket. Wait.
And then paddle. There's a paddle underneath the boat.
You want this paddle or a bigger one?
The little one.
We have a canoe if you need help. You have our paddle though.
Going out there, freaking tip the thing over.
Oh boy. Don't lose your sunglasses.
I told her the same thing.
Oh, it's already taken off.
This is my control. This is the only control I have.
Oh, gee.
I'm not gonna be able to go anywhere.
You want to leave your sunglasses here?
There we go. You're tipping over.
You better get some weight in it.
Oh my God.
Send it.
Send it. SS Asia Acosta. VHP.
Hello, moi.
Don't get knocked out because you don't have your life jacket on.
Paddle out.
Oh.
Donald's taking me. Let me get out into the wind.
Gonna get in the middle. Oh.
Yeah, I see a puck right there. See it?
Yeah, send it.
A what?
Pop. The way the water's rippling. There she goes.
You never send a picture of Ryan, Kristen.
Holy hit, you're freaking 3 knots. You sailing.
Don't stand up. This is impossible.
What do you think you're doing it?
Or in the thing so you could go in your direction.
I'm trying to sail, not paddle.
Gotta use the oar as a rudder.
Come right back in.
Oh.
That's how you do it.
Don't leave.
She's going to me down the camera.
Hey, we'll pick you up at the boat launch.
It actually work if I tied it.
That's a good wind out there.
That ain't gonna knock her out.
Wait, I'm gonna come back and tie the rudder on.
Any day now.
I don't know if I'll be able to get back.
Wrong way. Wrong way.
Going in the fire, dear. Up. Your big older cousin was coming to rescue you. Give her a little push.
This is #1
one song from 1994.
Okay, so earlier I was like in the boat. We were all in the boat. It's kind of windy, so I was like, it'd be a nice day to own a sailboat. And Uncle Ryan goes, oh, you know I have a sailboat? It's under the other camp. I was like, oh my God, what? Are you serious? So as soon as I got back here, I'm like, okay, hold on. I'm going to find that. I'm going to find that sailboat. So I went under the camp, got the sailboat, cleaned it all up, put the sails on it, and I tried to sail it. What? My vlog.
Hey vlog.
Hey vlog. Yeah, so I sailed her up, and the wind is going that way, so I kept like going too far that way. So I might try to sail it tomorrow in the morning when the wind is going the other way, but I don't know. Keep you updated. And we're having dinner soon. We're having BLTs.
Does Kylie want a bacon and a fried egg, or does she? I'm not really sure.
I think she's in that room, isn't she?
Huh?
She's in there.
Oh, there she is.
There's Elijah.
Well, I didn't want to.
We're making a bacon, lettuce, and tomato sandwiches for dinner. And onion.
Or I have spaghetti.
And leftover spaghetti.
I don't know what spaghetti. I think Elijah, and I don't know Bailey.
Elijah.
Remember when me and Louise go?
Coming to a YouTube channel near you.
Hey Mimi, remember that time I put a lizard in your hair?
It was a salamander you put in her hair and she never found it.
Imagine jumping on the camera.
Get outside! I'm free. Boy, I will never talk to you. I'm not kidding right now.
I'm locking the door.
She's locking you out.
Don't want to come in. I'm not kidding. Get outside!
Get over here, you little bastard!
Okay, I'm leaving.
Fuck you, you ass. Yeah.
You wait till you're sleeping. You wait till you're sleeping.
Alright, it's currently 6:52 and I am walking on my way to the beach right now because apparently everyone else left without me. So I'm going to meet them there at the beach now. Why is it so dark? But we're going there, we're gonna hang out for a little bit, and then at 9 or 9:30 maybe, they're having fireworks, which were postponed. Is that a horsefly on my head? Oh! Yeah, so the fireworks that we watched on the 4th of July, it was just someone on the lake just did them, but the actual like town of Otis fireworks were postponed until today because I guess the weather wasn't looking good for the actual 4th of July, so they like postponed it. But yeah, we're gonna chill at the beach, watch some fireworks, and yeah, I don't know what else we're gonna be doing, but it should be fun. Should be fun. See you later.
It's a good exercise. She said, I didn't know it was 10 miles down here.
Usually go by the buildings over there.
You can't go by the buildings. That's called trespassing.
Well, let's pass this.
Trespass my astronaut.
There's really a gate up there.
We made it!
There's no beach.
I am exhausted, so I think I'm gonna end the vlog here, go to bed. I'll see you in tomorrow's vlog, but tomorrow's our last day here. So sad. But yeah, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. See you tomorrow. Peace out. Black screen. Please zoom in on this thing.